Hello, Olive McDonough from Butterfly Cottage Retreat here in the heart of Ireland. Today I wanted to introduce you to a fabulously easy porridge bread recipe, and this is one that I use regularly. It's like comfort food but healthy because you know what's in it, and it's just something really handy if visitors are coming. I use it on a lot of the retreat days, but it's just a really handy recipe to have, and it's really quick. It freezes really well, and I'm going to show you how to make it. It doesn't have that many ingredients, and it's also quite flexible. So to start, I've just placed a large tub of yogurt in a bowl, so you can use what your yogurt of choice. So this recipe can be vegan if you wish. And then to that large tub of yogurt, we'll add, so either we have an option of an egg, which is obviously not vegan, or if you prefer a vegan recipe, you can add an egg replacement. And this is a really useful tip to know as well. So this is it's 2 tablespoons of water added to 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. So flaxseed, if you're not familiar, is these little seeds, and then they can be ground up into this lovely ground seed. So you can just use a tablespoon of that added to a little glass and then leave that sit for 10 minutes, and that's a fabulous egg replacement for any recipe that you wish. So that's a great thing to know. So to this bowl of, a large tub of yogurt, an egg, and then add 3 to 4 tablespoons of any milk. So I'll be actually doing another recipe to show you how to make some homemade plant milk, but you can use any milk that you want, that you have in. Then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of bicarbonate of soda, and then we're going to add a half a teaspoon of salt. So that is basically then going to be mixed, and you'll notice, so as you mix those together, so you'll be mixing the egg, so the yogurt is mixed with 4 tablespoons of any milk, the egg, the bicarbonate of soda and the salt, and you'll notice it kind of becomes this kind of a frothy, it kind of like fizzes up, and that's the bicarbonate of soda reacting. So you'll mix those up, and to that mixture then you can add anything. It's not, so basically between 360 or 400 grams of any oats. So again, a super economical recipe too. So you'll add the oats, and optional, so that can be just it, and if you want, you can add a cup of any seeds or nuts or any flavouring that you want. So I'm throwing in some sunflower seeds there. So that's optional, and then all you do, so you're going to mix those together in the bowl, and as you mix those, it comes into a nice thick mixture. It's not watery, but it's not dry, so it's like, I'll show you it now in a minute, but it's just very easy to make. And I'll show you the consistency now, so it'll just literally, like about a minute, stirring in some love, stir in and I'll chant if you like. So what the energy we put into the food is very important, as it will consume it. So stirring in a bit of divilment if you like, anything you like. Okay, so that's mixed nicely now, and I'll just show you that. So that's what it looks like when it's done. And as that is mixed then, what we do is, you can just get, so if you wanted, you could put that into a bread tin, and you'll just line a bread tin and place that, and that makes like a regular loaf size. Or if you don't want to wait, so if you're using a regular loaf size tin, you'll do it for about 40 minutes in the oven and then turn it upside down for the last 5 minutes. But if you don't want it to take 45 or 50 minutes, you can simply get a spoon and place it onto a baking tray with a sheet, and place on, like literally just measured big heaped dollop, and place it on. It'll make between 9 and 12 large scones. So you place those onto a tray, so it's super easy. It's not a bit foodlerdy. So you place all the mixture onto a tray and they'll go into the oven depending on your oven. So fan oven 180 degrees and leave them in for 15 to 20 minutes. But again, it totally depends on your oven, so you can just check those. And that's it. So it's super handy, super easy, gorgeous with whatever spread that you'd like on them. And here is some that were prepared earlier. Okay, so thanks for watching and have a great day and enjoy your delicious scones. And be sure to sign up to the channel if you want more healthy, easy recipes. Have a great day. Bye.